Hello and welcome to my video. We are filming this on a potato, if you didn't know. That's why it looks so good. This is, a bit delayed. This is my son. He is called Bocage. No, it's not. It's called Jacob. We got it the wrong way around, didn't we? Yeah. And we are currently in Blackpool. We decided we were going to stop off because Jacob's never ever been to Blackpool, so we're going to go down the front and have a look at the tower, which happens to be green with a pink top. We're now going to turn the camera around so it'll be on the other side. There we go. So here we go. We are in the car park. We can't find a parking space, as you can see. It's jam-packed.
Can't park there, mate.
Can't park there. Right, okay. We've just had a KFC that cost £200.
Oh, mate, it was so good there.
It wasn't, it was awful.
Mate, you had awful.
Yours was. Mine was, they put mine in it, it came out like a pack of playing cards.
It did, right?
It was rock hard, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's a tower in front of us, look. Woohoo!
Oh, right, that looks so cool.
That's where the pleasure beach is, on the left-hand side. My camera wobbles about though, so it looks like we're drunk.
Yeah, I'm not
So
sure
there's
I'm
the
going to do
pleasure
it.
beach, look, to your right.
Whoa.
Look at that. It's massive inside there. Obviously you can't see it because we're sat on the floor. Are you cold?
A bit, yeah.
Yeah, we've got the window open, it's blowing cold air in. Right, so on like in October, November, December.
Yeah.
Right, oh, I better slow down, there's a speed camera there. All of this is lit up with lights. Blackpool lights.
Yeah.
And it's amazing. I haven't been for quite a few years. Down here used to be all the arcades. Don't go across because I'm not stopping. Used to be all the arcades, Jakey, so you'd have like, you know, like all the really big, like latest games and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
It used to be mega cool. This is like, this. You see this here, Fun Palace? Yeah. This is all arcades.
That's cool.
There'll be loads inside there. But they're mostly like, you know, the 2p machines now.
Yeah.
It's mostly that. Look, fish and chip shop and kiss me quick hats and
yeah,
all sorts of look, there's even like, oh, it's Madame Tussauds there. Like waxworks, I've been in there once, it was really good.
Yeah.
That's very good. Look at all arcades and everything down here.
The Queen.
Yeah, the Queen.
Edward Sheeran.
Yeah. What do you think of the place?
Oh, it's really cool here.
It's amazing, isn't it?
I'd love to see it in the day, but also...
Yeah. It's not as good in the day.
No, I'd like to see it with the lights.
Yeah.
Like the lights in the night. This is not all lit up, I'm assuming.
No, it's not. You know, like in proper time, all these are lit up in proper, in November and that lot. I'll bring you, we'll come in November. That's all arcade. Oh, that used to be all arcades.
Oh man.
It's all changed now, look.
No, it's just a really fancy.
They've changed the road service. The Albert and the Lion.
Oh wow, look how tall that is.
Amazing, isn't it?
I wouldn't want to like...
Do you know there's a circus in there?
Is there?
Yeah, look, all that's there. They do like shows and everything.
Oh.
And then that dungeon thing is really scary.
I'm alright then,
I've done it. They've got real life people pretending to be like Freddy Krueger and, you know, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, he did indicate, right. This is a shopping centre now, so you've got the shopping centre. Just up there is the gardens where there's all like famous people singing that a lot. It's an amazing place, this Blackpool, it really is.
Yeah, apparently Markham's going to be really popular soon because they're making an Eden project.
Yeah, I know all about it.
Do you think it's good or not? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I've never seen one before.
What Eden thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all full of plants and that lot though, but I don't think that would interest me, I don't know. But that's pretty much the end of Blackpool now.